Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love bite now. Sagittarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So Saggis, we're going to start with our angel blessing card. Let's see how the angels are going to bless this reading and then we'll start from there. My angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Sagittarius, please. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Okay, this one. Thank you. Let's keep this one here, Sagittarius. Put the rest back. And the card I have for you here, Sagittarius, is vision. So keep your eyes on the prize, I think that's what it means to say. Don't look back. If you have any kind of sadness, regret, or upset from the past, I think it's time now to focus on your future and keep your goals in sight. Okay, so let's see why this card is here and do your tarot. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your lovely comments, your likes, your shares, your donations to the channel. I'm very blessed and very grateful. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in Sagittarius. So Saggis, this is going to be a mini read, mini love bite as I call them. Just 9 card spread to check your energies. Your longer reads have already been put up. I'll leave the links at the end of the video and more are coming. So, and if any of you are looking for a private reading, Sagittarius, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. And look at what I have at the bottom of my deck, the Ace of Cups. So are you expecting new love, or is the overall energy of this reading love, which is perfect because this is a love reading, right? So, okay, so the first card I have here for you, Saggis, is the Page of Wands, 3 of Wands, 7 of Wands, lots of wand and energy here, 4 of Swords, the Sun, center of my deck, the Knight of Pentacles, Temperance, Chariot, ends with the 3 of Swords, Sagittarius. What's going on? From what I see here, somebody is waiting for a message or news, waiting. There's a lot of waiting going on, trying to see the higher ground, not dealing with anyone else, still kind of in resting mode, thinking of their happiness because something has kind of stagnated here. A lot of healing going on, wishing and hoping, I think, for forward movement, but there is a sense of heartbreak around love here. So let's take some dialogue message cards here, Sagittarius, see what this is all about. Sagittarius and their partner spirit, what's this heartbreak and love all about? Okay. Let's take a couple more from here, Saggis. Sagittarius and their person spirit. One more. Thank you. So, Sagittarius, the first card I have here for you, Saggis, is it hurts me that you continue to choose others over me. What do they have that I don't? Or is it that you don't feel worthy of a real connection? So that's where the heartbreak is coming from, Saggis. Maybe a person hasn't chosen you or doesn't make a choice, or maybe there are other people in the mix here who they're dealing with. Somebody here is very hurt with that. I would wait for eternity. I would wait for eternity to be with you. I will never let you go. You are my one true love. I have been waiting a lifetime for you. Like I said, there's a lot of waiting for news, waiting for a message, taking time out alone, just waiting, healing, thinking of somebody who makes them very happy. So Saji, this could be you, okay, waiting for your partner who is right now maybe dealing with other people or not choosing you, and that's hurting you, or it could be vice versa. This could be your partner saying that to you. I can't get you out of my head. I think about you always. I know that we are soulmates, forever entwined for eternity. Next card says, I know that I shouldn't compare others to you, but I just can't help it. You're a tough act to follow, and absolutely no one measures up. No matter what has happened between us, you are still the one. So somebody is 100% sure that they love the other one, right? They are 100% sure that they love the other one, but I think their partner may not be giving the same attention back, and that's the reason of this heartbreak. Enough of divine timing already. You want to be with me, I want to be with you. Why can't we get our shit together now? So somebody's getting a little desperate and wanting some action now. Let's just kind of charge ahead. Enough is enough. I can't keep waiting here, by myself and waiting and thinking and healing forever. When are you going to come and make me happy? Next card. I didn't think it was possible to feel this much. Thoughts of you fill my head. I think this is a... So, Page of Wands, Spirit. What's Page of Wands for Sagittarius or their person? This could be a cross-watcher I'm reading for. This is a very, very strong energy of one person who's hurting over not getting attention from the other person. So, yes, this person is trying to live day by day, trying to stay happy, hoping and wishing that, their partner would probably make a choice, waiting for that news to come in with the Three of Wands. This person has not been chosen yet, I think, and that is what makes them very, very upset. They feel very ungrounded, they feel angry because there's been no movement of this news or this choice being made yet. Seven of Wands, Spirit. What's the Seven of Wands? Seven of Wands. I think somebody, like I said, somebody could have or be open to a lot of options here. There could be many people in the mix. Whoever this person is who's heartbroken feels that their partner is being very selfish. They are only concentrating on themselves. They're trying to maybe meet up or talk to other people, and they're not choosing me. And that kind of makes this person feel rather heartbroken. Four of Swords, Spirit. This person has a lot of love. Whoever this feminine energy is here, Sagittarius, is alone. They're healing. They have a lot of love to give. They know who makes them the happiest. Okay, they've already made their choice, but I think their partner is not kind of really moving along in the same direction here. The Sun, Spirit, Sun. They're still waiting. See, they don't want to be at crossroads all their life. They just want a choice to be made so that they can be happy with their partner. Two of Wands in reverse with the Sun card. It's like, hey, just make a choice already. How long am I going to wait, right? So let's just be happy together. So Knight of Pentacles, Spirit. Knight of Pentacles. Excuse me. Knight of Pentacles. There is stagnation because either there's a third party situation here, Sagittarius, or your partner doesn't want to build together right now. Maybe, yes, like you're suspecting, whoever the feminine energy is, yes, they're being a little self-centered. They don't want to take action. Maybe they want to interact with more people. They may be having third party situations, or they are not ready to build with the feminine, this feminine as of now, and that's the reason of the stagnant energy here. So Saji, here's your card. The Temperance card is here. So what's this, Spirit? Temperance. Temperance. Somebody is really trying to heal. They are trying to wish and hope and try and bring this offer towards them, but they still feel things are rather stuck right now. They really want their partner to come towards them with a love offer, or take a love offer, I don't know, but there is still some healing which has to be done here in the situation. And I think the feminine energy feels that kind of, she feels that I lost. I lost. This is just not happening. I've tried and tried and tried to pour one cup into the other and make this relationship work. But each time I've tried, yes, I've got some romance out of it. Yes, I've got some sweet, kind words out of it. Maybe a dinner date and a movie or something. But, this Knight of Cups is not elevating to the king energy yet. And the only king energy I saw here, Sagittarius, was the King of Wands, which is in reverse, right? So this is a selfish character who, yes, would like to romance you, but ask them for a commitment, and maybe then that's when they run. So Chariot spirit. Chariot. I think not that this person is a bad person. I think they're very involved with their own life at the moment. Yes, they have made a choice that I don't want to be encumbered by any relationship right now. I don't want to have any burdens in my life right now. I'm concentrating on my work, on my business, on my material aspects. I think this person is very busy with their life right now, and they are kind of saying, hey, not yet, not yet. I'm not ready right now to offer you anything, and that's the reason of the stagnation. This person is on their way, this masculine is on their way to achieve, I think, their material life or business or something for themselves, and they are kind of being a bit defensive here to say, hey, right now I'm not interested. That's the reason for this heartbreak here, Sagis. Three of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles. Too many cards. Three of Pentacles, Spirit. Three of Pentacles. Sagittarius, at the moment, I think even though there may be a lot of love here, but because you both are on different agendas at the moment, maybe one partner is not ready for settling down and they have achievements or things that they have to do, and the other partner is getting a little frustrated and saying, hey, just choose me already, and I have a lot of love to give, and why can't we be together? I think because there is no forward movement happening here, it's ending up in some kind of a broken heart here. Okay, at the moment I don't see any movement here. I don't see anybody taking any action here, because this Four of Wands is right now still in reverse, right? This is not to say it can never come up right again, Sagittarius, because the truth of the matter is that there is a lot of love here. Where did that card go? Yes, here. There is pure love here. There is a lot of love here. But right now, I think it's not the time. Okay, so maybe there is also for the feminine energy here, and the masculine, maybe if this is not working out, maybe it's time to look forward to maybe some new love, right? This card also sometimes indicates that. Keep your vision on the future and see, maybe there's something else out there for you, because right now I don't think you guys are really opening up your emotions to each other. There is a lot of confusion regarding this relationship, because somebody here does not want to make a choice right now. Okay, but I do see new love coming in, so don't shut yourself off, feminine, whoever you are. That's all I have for you. That was the longest reading. It was supposed to be tiny, but I think you needed a little more. So love and light. Take care. Namaste.